Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will take a video talking about which is the best printer to be recommend to working with your sublimation printing. Okay, so such on our table we can see are mostly A3 and A4 size of photo printers from the Epson model. Okay, so this one is the A3 size of the printer. That's the model for XP15000. So we can print the size A3 plus, A3, and A4. It's gonna be have the 6 colors. It have the red and the gray and the same YK, totally the 6 colors. So this ink colors is so different than the old model or the Epson T50 or L1 or L800 models. So, okay. Following the video, we can see here, there are mostly the last version of the Epson models, L805 models. So this should be for A4 size of printers. We're gonna use for A4 size diskjet printers with the ink pen system. We only need to change the ink that can be print the sublimation. Okay, so this are mostly finishing for the market. So this one, okay, and the white one that we can see, this should be the Epson L8560 models, series models. This printer coming with the scan function and also with the photo quality print. And this also have the are mostly working model in the US market, like the 8500 and 8550. So this is for A3 and the A for different size printer, photo printer with the scan. Okay, so and the last one, this is the model. Also have 6 colors photo printers with the book ink system coming with the printers. This one also have A3 and the A4 size. That's below the L8050 and the 8050H is over our market. In the US market and other markets, we have L18050. That should be working with the A3 side. This also can be working with the A3 photo print. Okay. Direct to fill the ink to the bottles that we can working with the sublimation print. Okay, so we see, so we have a lot of different model of printer. So this video we're talking about best our tasting, which is the best one we recommend to working with your sublimation or your DTF, the business. Okay, so that we can see here, this have a printer already ready to work. Okay, we are gonna to radio print one print. We are trying to do a phone case transfer testing. Okay, now we can see the printer get a print. Just take a few seconds that the sheet can be finished. So which is the best one that we recommend? Why? Okay, the first part we will be recommend to the XP15000 model for our store to working with sublimation or your DTF. Okay, because this printer we can easily to take from your market about the cost about $300. We can buy a brand new printer, so we can modify to sublimation, the fill ink, change ink systems. This will be cost us to some cost for changing the ink system. But remember, this one is the A3 size of printer. We can print any size. The cost set of size A4 and A3. And we can print the gray color wave and the red color waves to make the color more bright and the vivid colors. So this is the difference the color compared with other model printers. So because the ink already have the red colors and the GY colors. Okay, so some such as other model printers. So like this one, we can see we have a load sheet, check sheet. This one, it's gonna have be two of bright colors and one GY colors. This is for Epson L18050 or L80507 series models. So this also have GY colors that we can print the more better color, change the white and the black colors. So this one should be better for a photo print. And now we can see this sheet. It's gonna have to be, okay, this one should be XP15000. It have the GY and the red colors. So this one is so special, or mostly we're working with wide format printer. For the desktop, this is the first come with the Epson. So we have these two colors to print a photo. So this one will be more help us to get more color bright. Okay, so and the latest one, okay, and this one we see this should be for the Epson, the new model of colors. The ink colors, there's some difference. Okay, these two printer have different, just have the same colors, but this model is come from Epson L05 series, and this is the new series. The ink, they're working the ink difference, and the ink other difference to the print. This printer will faster, but this printer should be the more high resolution. Anyway, this model already finished over the market. We have no choice for working this service model. This one is new for working with the market right now. So we only have the choose with almost this three type of printer. So during the cost and the quality print and the maintenance, these two of printer already inside the ink system with the printer come when it to change and modify. Even we fail the normal ink, that will be hard for us to change the ink for sublimation or DTF. Okay, so why we recommend to working with HP 1500 model following our video to see. This way already changed the easily type of ink system. We only fill the ink for the ink tank and connect the ink tube, and then the stamper easy to replace inside the printer. Even we want to do a maintenance or clean the heads, and it's very easy to do it with the model. So this is the last point why we recommend to work with sublimation with HP 15000 model printers. If you can get this model or printer, maybe you can contact us if you need any help to do the chip list or to change the ink system or print head, the dampers, everything that you want and you see in the videos. Hope this video will help you to work with your print. Okay, if you want any support for your sublimation or DTF print with this printer, and or any the parts or something others as you see in the video, that you can contact us. We will please to help you to get your print out. Okay, thanks for your watching. Thanks, bye bye.